Downloading data from Twitter can be useful for various purposes, such as research or personal archiving. Follow these steps to obtain your Twitter data. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Access your Twitter account by entering your username and password on the Twitter website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click on your profile icon or the More option in the sidebar, then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Request your archive. In the Settings menu, find the Your Account section. Click on Download and Archive of your data. You may need to verify your identity through email or phone. Step 4. Wait for the email notification. After requesting your data, Twitter will prepare your archive. This process may take some time. You will receive an email notification once your data is ready for download. Step 5. Download the data. Follow the link in the email to access your Twitter data. Log back into your account if prompted, and then download the archive file to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have your Twitter data saved for your use.